This question was asked in JEE Main, and see the two masses m and m by 2 are here. So now this point is the center of mass. You first read the whole question, you see, and this is this distance is equal to L by 3, and distance from m by 2 is equal to 2L by 3. Because see, we know how to calculate the coordinate of the center of mass. Now we look at the top view. We look the thing from the top view. So from the top view, you see this as a point, and so m by 2 is at a distance of this 2L by 3, and m is at a distance of L by 3. Now it is displaced by some angle theta naught. So it is displaced by some angle theta naught. So this angle is theta naught, and then it is released from this position. So after it is released, it will go back to the mean position with some angular velocity omega, or say name it omega naught, because that is the maximum angular velocity. So if the rod is rotated by theta naught and release, the tension in it when it passes through mean position. So obviously tension in the rod will be, if you analyze this m by 2, so this tension in the rod F, so F should be equal to m by 2 into 2L by 3 into omega naught square. Now in this case the restoring torque is equal to k theta, and the moment of inertia MOI is equal to m into L by 3 square plus m by 2 into 2L by 3 square, that is m L square by 9 plus this is 2m L square by 9. So it becomes m L square by 3. So this is I, moment of inertia denoted by I. That means I equal to ml square by 3. So the angular frequency omega, so angular frequency is omega. It's not the angular velocity, remember, this is the angular frequency. It is equal to root over of k by I. So that means it is root over of k by ml square, and you have 3 upstairs here in the numerator. So now the maximum angular speed omega naught. So in this way the angular frequency. So the equation for the angle theta equal to theta naught, the angular amplitude, into sine or cosine, whatever, doesn't matter, it depends on where you set your time 0. So sine omega t. Okay, so the angular speed theta naught is equal to theta dot is theta naught into omega into cosine omega t. So the maximum angular speed is theta naught into angular frequency. So omega naught, that is the maximum angular speed, is equal to theta naught into root over of 3k by ml square. So now so as you know, so therefore as you got this, now we get back to this equation F, where we have found out F equal to this one. So let's get back to that equation and substitute here. So the tension in the required situation is m by 2 into 2L by 3 into omega naught square, that is theta naught square into 3k by ml square. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, L and this L square, this will cancel, m and m will cancel. So therefore the tension F is equal to k theta naught square by L.